We got to eat. So, step 8 is talking about a food budget. Because you're going to go to the grocery store every week, let's choose how much you are going to be spending on food every week. So, you'll probably visit the grocery store once a week. So, we're going to multiply that cost by 4 because there's about 4 months in every month, roughly, give or take one, to make up for some being shorter, some being longer. So about 4 weeks per month for these grocery bills. So now you're going to decide and choose which meal plan you want to go with. And of course, your groceries include things like shampoo, soap, laundry detergent, and pet food. And if once again, if at any time your bills exceed your income, you may cut back on groceries and adjust this expense. So you're going to look through peanut butter and jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? So you're a simple eater. It can survive on PB&J sandwiches, and that's all, if that's what you have. So you don't buy a lot of groceries, so that's $20 per week. A lot of frozen meals and coupons. You eat a lot of frozen meals and cut coupons, so you do enjoy to cook about once a week, so that's $35. 7 times a week, but you don't mind eating leftovers, so that saves you some money, $55 a week. Or like me, you are a foodie and you cook every night and you leave no leftovers. You just have a different meal every time. So then that means you are spending $100 a week on food. You multiply that by 4 and you are using $400 a month on your food. So the monthly cost of once a week $100 for 4 weeks is $400, means that you're going to spend $400 a month on groceries. And just like we have always done, you go back to your previous slide. We left off with $2,681. So we take our calculator, 2,681 minus 400 to give us 2,281. 2,281 and no change. And so you're left with $2,281 after you have paid for your groceries over the course of a month.